We will be in and out in no time.
Hi, I'm Captain Save-A-Home, and we're in Wasco, California. We got a call to figure out what was wrong with the customer's dishwasher.
The customer states that their dishwasher started leaking from underneath.
So we're going to check that out and see what we come up with.
Remove the kick plate by loosening the screw securing it in place. Then, you will want to lower the front of the dishwasher by adjusting the front feet. Finally, there are 2 screws that secure the top. They will also need to be removed.
You will want to unplug the power cord from the outlet, and you will want to turn off the water supply and disconnect the supply line located under the sink against the wall in the back of the cabinet. It didn't take us long to figure out what the problem was. The component in question ends up being the fill funnel kit, and what it does is that black hose feeds the water into the dishwasher via that component there. And it appears that a rat or something has chewed into it to cause it to no longer function anymore. We're still going to do an inspection on all the other components to make sure that this is the only issue that we have.
Luckily, the fill funnel assembly was the only issue. We were able to order it and return to the project in a couple of days.
The funnel assembly consists of 3 parts with a pretty simplistic design. The funnel itself, the nut, and the cap which connects to the fill hose and fill funnel.
Disconnect the fill hose from the cap and remove the nut by hand from the inside of the dishwasher, while holding onto the funnel from the outside.
Here's a side-by-side comparison to kind of show you the difference between the old component and the new one before we start putting things back together.
Not to sound like a cop-out, but installation is simply the reverse process of removal.
Yeah, but we still have these people for another 2 minutes. So we could either bore them with the steps to finish this project, or we could bore them with unrelated content. It's your choice.
Very well. We start by inserting the new funnel into the wall of the dishwasher. Line up the nut inside of the dishwasher and tighten by hand. Connect the fill hose to the funnel cap. The cap itself simply clicks into place at the top of the funnel.
Now see, that was pretty easy, but we're not done until the dishwasher is put back in its place.
While reinstalling, slowly push the machine in. Walk it side to side, if necessary, making sure the insulation blanket stays tucked inside the opening. The insulation blanket is there for both sound and temperature mitigation.
Reconnect the water supply line, plug the dishwasher back into the outlet, and turn the water back on to the supply inside the cabinet. And adjust the tilt and height of the dishwasher by turning the feet on the front of the machine.
Initiate the run mode on the dishwasher and close the door. Start checking for leaks underneath during each cycle by using a flashlight.
If no leaks have been found, you can start putting the screws back in at the top of the machine to secure it, and correct any tilt that might still be present by adjusting the feet at the bottom.
Once you are satisfied with the alignment of the dishwasher, reinstall the kick plate using the screws from before.
Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. We've still got plenty of projects coming your way, so stay tuned.